Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today is my last episode with Rob Duthie. Rob is running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for joining me today, Rob. Thanks for joining me. So this last episode, I want to make sure you have an opportunity to speak to the voters directly and tell us why you think you should be elected.
So I've introduced myself and answered questions regarding my views on taxes, infrastructure, and previous posts. So now the question is, why should you vote for Rob Duthie? What I may lack in electoral political experience, I have years of frontline and management, municipal service, and I have the focus and time to devote to council matters. I will stand firm, fight for important issues, and not be swayed by vigorous opposition. I'm a deliberate and, most importantly, honest individual who will bring integrity to the role. The main focus of my platform is taxes. At our last election, you were promised 0% tax increases. 4 years later, and our tax bills continue to climb. Why is this still an issue? Is it incompetence? Lack of political will? I'm not going to sit here and promise you an immediate tax relief. What I can commit to is, with 6 other reasonable people with commonality of purpose, we will do our best to get you the results you expect.
Fantastic. I want to thank you so much for coming in and doing this video series with me. It's very important to me, but it's also important for the voters to have context. And thank you very much for watching this series. And I hope you do use this opportunity to educate yourself so you can go ahead and make an educated vote and exercise your democratic right. It's very important for the future of our town. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.